Beyonce, yeah. You love that song, eh, bro?
I love that song, Ehua.
What about her?
Nah, I just like the waiata.
Hey,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a good song.
I would never thought I'd hear you say that.
It's a
Really?
good waiata, Ehua.
Yeah, harder, bro.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah. You like her country style of singing, though? Honestly, not really. You love her traditional Beyonce stuff,
Yeah,
eh?
nah, I don't like your country album though.
Oh, don't
But
you?
I love that one song.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, we'll have a go singing it one day with our waiata when you're like, hey,
we
let's
will,
give
we
it a
will.
go, bro.
We'll do it.
Let's give it a go, and we'll do your UB40 homely girl. I know you've been hanging out to do that. Anyway, hanging out to join us, and she's with us right now, as you can see live on our Pukamata Instagram, but also you can hear her on the Irirangi Ngā Reta Skipper. Mōrena.
Atamari.
Yeah, lovely to have you on the show. We're here to have a kōrero with you this morning in regards to the school holidays that are coming up, but particular the second week. Got a Rangatahi Wānanga coming up.
Yes, we sure do.
Yeah, tell me more about that.
Yep, so we've got a Rangatahi Wānanga on the second week of the holidays, from the 15th to the 16th of July, up at Mātai Whetū. We've got, it's a first time for me, so it's gonna be fun.
That's the key part, being fun, and the rangatahi love having fun as well. Look, what you've done, you've kind of got out of, I would guess, your comfort zone, but you've gone forward in trying to create something for our rangatahi to do, to keep them busy and occupied, and basically taking them back to marae to learn what I gather, whanaungatanga, kaitiakitanga, and everything like that as well, eh?
Ai, tika. So yes, it's the first time for me. I've always hung out in the background, with my parents running Te Kāhu Kōrako Wānanga, Reo Wānanga. So I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous, but more excited because I'm passionate about this type of mahi. We've got rangatahi coming in to tautoko the kaupapa as well. We've got Kaharokio, Punahu Wilson. We've got Mahinarangi Skipper. We've got Reha that's going to come in and help out as well, Devon, which you guys should be familiar with. And also we're going to have Hene Moana come in, pop in on the 15th. So it'll be rangatahi, a Wānanga rangatahi run by rangatahi. So I'm excited. It's going to be awesome. We've got a few kaupapa installed for us, for our rangatahi. I want to keep that a secret. I don't want to give too much away.
Now, that's cool. And I do know 13 to 18-year-olds. What I like about what you've just said then is you've got a Rangatahi Wānanga delivered and run by rangatahi. That would be attractive for rangatahi to come along, especially in that age group, because they can relate, they can do so much together, they're active together, but delivered by rangatahi has to be a key.
Yes, and I think it's just so that they can relate more to us. You know, when you have pakeke in the rooms, sometimes it can get you can get anxious and you kind of hold back and watch what you say, and you don't fully come out and to rangatira i roto i te ao o te pakeke, you know, like I just feel like it'd be nice for our rangatahi in Hauraki, and those that are from Hauraki, that are in Hamilton or in the surrounding areas, to come home, be exposed to te ao Māori, ngā tikanga Māori, and seeing, you know, we're not that much older than them, so it'd be like seeing themselves, teaching themselves type of thing.
Yeah, love it. Love what you're saying there as well. So when does it all close off, and how do our rangatahi who want to get involved during the holidays, second week, just be mindful of that, on the 15th, 16th of July, where do they go to, where do they find information to register? I'm guessing it's limited numbers.
Yes, there is a limited numbers. We've got 40 to 50 rangatahi spots, so get in quick whānau. We will also run another one after the third term. So, the next school holidays, there'll be another one. So, yes, get in quick. You can find the registration forms on the Ngāiwi FM page. They've posted up the registration forms. And yes, Monday the 15th to the 16th of July, Tuesday.
Beautiful. Hey, I suppose the other question, just to wrap this all up, Ngā Reta, costs. What are costs involved? Any costs involved, or is it just their time to be there for the 2 days?
Yes, it's just your time. Might cost you to get there, so all free. Kai's provided. My sister and my mum's put the menu together, and it's very rangatahi menus. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Come in, yeah, haere mai.
Yeah, love it.
No
And we'll
mai.
we'll leave it on that note because that's the key part of it. Come along and enjoy the fun. Get involved with Te Ao Māori. For Rangatahi, delivered by Rangatahi Kai. And I tell you what, you will... Obviously, if you miss out on, again, the 40 or 50 getting registered, it closes on Sunday. There's the next one coming up in the next school holidays as well. Ngā reta, well done to you. Ngā mihi to you for joining us.
Yeah, no, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Yeah. Ka pai, ka kite.
You can go and do your dishes now. See ya.
Yeah. Up the Maroons. Up the Maroons.
Oh, gotta go now. Gotta go.